How to build ladder ball. You will need 4 10-foot pieces of 3/4 inch PVC, 12 3/4 inch elbows, and 12 3/4 inch tees, 12 golf balls, and 6 pieces of 18-inch string. To put together, follow this diagram. First, take 2 of the 10-foot PVC pieces and cut 5 23-inch segments and 10 11-inch segments. Then connect them in this order or follow the diagram to complete ladder ball. Repeat these steps to create both sides. Then drill a hole through all of the golf balls and string a rope through 2 balls and tie it on ends. Repeat this step 5 more times so that you have 6 of them. After that, you have a completed ladder ball set.